The views and opinions expressed on this show by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls. Welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
All right, dude. You know what's crazy? Last week's intro was so good. I don't know how we're gonna start today.
If
If we try to do another song, it's gonna be lame.
Yeah, see you then. Hi, Sugil.
Particularly, I might choose some first. I tune.
Was I there? Was I there?
Yeah, you were there. Might choose some show.
So,
my fault.
It was in and I saw his step. Oh. So,
Amanyamatu.
into yenzekile la. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi kula bantu abathanda ichechi ku podcast le.
Wathanda ichechi ku podcast le. Nxa usithi ku
abathanda
podcast.
ukuchechela.
Like good team, like behind the scenes.
Okay. No, my bad.
Not ukuchechi. Sicela sime mbijana namhla ngento yena le ngikhuluma ngayo. Like so I'm playing ngoma gospel by mistake. Azachazeka ndoda.
Ngubani?
Bonke laba abantu bekhona la.
Yebo.
I'm playing ngoma gospel abantu wachazeka la.
Oh,
Ngihlala nziba le nhloni.
Siyasonda phela thina. Siyasonda soma satanist.
Ngabona iclip kalo ehlabela ingoma zesabatha.
Ile J bahlala beyibukela ngikhaya every Friday. Abakwazi ukuthi sile amathathu.
You know fairness and a recorder maloko zendana ngangila amathathu.
Hola amathathu.
Banqani ngiyabe ngiqoka isudu phela.
I feel like in every group and there should be that one person onganu upright njengomgcini. So
upright
today
mina.
when I was going to bath, right?
Yeah.
I decided not to take my speaker to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Ngazithola ngihlabela igospel. Angazi bengicabanga wena but
Yeah.
ngihlabela igospel ngathi ya.
I'm a good example. Where's the numbers almost 7 mgcini coke?
Yeah. Like that can mean so many things, bro.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Ujane nabantu abahang out labo mina think ukuthi ucoke lona ngeCoca-Cola. Ubhale coke kumbe Coca-Cola?
Coke.
Cocaine, pala cocaine.
Ngizongaba icock.
Yezwa manje wena resi sokuro.
So my cock. Ngapha accent weZimbabwe impela uthi cock.
Ngendlela wena usu
The cock. The Coca-Cola.
So boss vele sifamily league.
Ini?
Yeah, Lendas.
Bokla mfana.
Yeah, Bokla.
Delta. Was sponsored by.
Nice bro. Kani isinto number bani?
Isilokhu number. Lokho ebe number 2.
Ngibona umdu ayibhale ku Facebook.
Ke rumini.
Ubona umdu ubhale ku Facebook.
Ubhaleni.
It's us against the world.
But
Ngidlala labo bonke sengidlala le Galatasaray.
So we menu ini. Isikhuluma ngayo.
But there's still a bunch of games left. Who knows?
Hey, but ukuthi team number 1. Ari chenu uchazwa yini yena?
This is actually not funny, bro.
Yeah, meleziwe wazi. Ngoba yapusha episode yonke le khovu la kutshele sesiqedile.
Ngiyatshela ukuthi
Uthi labanu kule nqofu la laba. But ngicanga ubuza umuntu umtshela njani vele like maybe enxema onanzelela ukuthi
The cover. Is it not for what?
Wait,
we
I'm
are
bored.
stupid.
That's Vinya.
But you know what? No, in the
Asihlala ugema finya.
Asicela ugema finya.
Yazi ngiyathanda njani ukufinya bro.
Asihlala ugema ginya ama-holes.
Kanje uJerry uthe kule nto afuna ukuyenza episode 110.
Actually before ekhuluma khonoko ama donation wama-pads lokho esenzakala guys. If you want to donate ama-pads you can even though impokane
Inunzi.
No, asompokane lenkani so.
Yilo nto inunzi vele.
Which coke buka manje?
Ngababoniyo
la.
Inyosi bro. Kulama episode esaserecorda sihlishwa impukane bro. Usakubona?
Which reminds me, I'm not sure if you guys have heard this rumor, but I mean, I'm not shaming umdala wethu Nkomo, but I think Kabele knows where I'm going with this. But kuthiwa kudala like empini. I'm not sure if they're saying ukuthi Nkomo yena wayenza or like other people, but wayechinja ebe impukane kumbe. I mean,
ukuthi waye-shape shifter lokho ngakuzwa lokho.
Ukomo waye shape shift. Maybe Botswana wadlule engumangoye maybe.
Something else, but from that to impukane.
Lokuyana phela likhumbula into ze-counter espionage. You want to strike fear in the heart of the enemy. So back in those days, vele kulama rumors amaningi ukuthi ubani ngumafavuke, ubani waginya ibullet. You need those kind of things going around so that other people think,
Salila la no.
kanti ngobuza abantu abathengisa umbobo bathengisa izitabane. This is a valid question kumbe labo bale code of ethics.
Siyangena manje. Siyangena manje. Siyangena manje.
Labo bale code of ethics.
Like vele ismo umbobo ngathi kule nto ezi-offers nela ba. Umbobo phela ngathi rape kahle kahle.
No, it is rape.
Rape vela. Yeah, because bese ngicabanga i-consent kahle kahle.
Not if you enjoy it.
Yeah.
No. But I know that was banter, but on a serious note,
Ukhuluma umbobo.
if you know, it says Lula from Mbobo Bweni. Some.
Vele sikhuluma ngani kahle.
Haya. Kulento epose lapana. Lapana bese kuthani ikucheckela ama-bench.
Mabenchi yabadala.
Ama-bench
Amabhenji abadala si.
wena. But
No, that's fine. We still need to get back to it.
singaka digress lapha.
Yeah.
Bengisathi khona abantu abafuna ukudonate ama-pads. Babuya iZulu Fashion House bazodropa. Or bathumele not imali. But bacontacte umthokozisi enambeni lezi +263 7852 39 734.
Repeat.
+263 7852 9734. I-information yonke concerning i-initiative esiyenzayo for episode 100 yokudonate ama-pads bangakhuluma la emjita.
So labangela mali kathe so uthi uzathola month end, there's still plenty of time because we're building towards this is episode what?
Episode 92.
92.
So like
So 8
Sase
more.
lesikhathi.
like 8 weeks, yeah.
So shout out here this week. Mna shout out here this week.
Shout out.
Yeah, do later isizumbulo se-1000. Oh, uyaletha isizumbulo sama-pants.
Umuntu esimaziyo. Shout out to who?
The one and only Bakani Ngulani, aka Puff Daddy, aka Sean Combs.
So
AKA
that means
AKA what?
that means
Galaxy Boy.
sesile lokuze nini? Sesile last week besile 1847. So nge-1000 kaWakani it means this week sesimove to 2847.
Faka lana ethi popo.
Yeah, then
I also think if anyone needs to donate my page to Bakani,
yeah.
you know, I think he has done a lot of works with the female private part.
I think any court.
Yeah.
To female private parts.
Uthanda abafazi.
It's just us. Wakani was cracking. And he gave us the
Actually
test.
abantu abathanda abafazi.
Abantu abathanda abafazi.
Yino melting ali
Lithe
hamba
iqhinwe ngobani
phambili.
kathi?
Yeah. You know melting ali donate
Take care of it.
Yabo, and this guy, I'm happy because Bakani is leading by example. He's saying, mina ngadla, ngiyagesa imgani. Shout out my boy,
Got married.
BK.
Yeah.
Fuck is it called?
Yazinto ke njalo uvalo ngento yenzakeleyo la.
Yeah,
For the first time sirecord podcast.
In 92 episodes.
92 episodes kukhulunywe something sonke sasukuma sathi lokhu hayi.
We finally crossed the line after 92 episodes.
Yeah,
We found the line.
lokhu.
Yeah, this one was gonna fly.
But otherwise, uh,
Let's not go back there.
You know, as far as cool, we can move on, bro. But I'm just.
Anyway, speaking of Pet Drive, 110th episode. Bengathanda ukuthi siyenze roll on drive ngoba guys, how are my brothers and sisters from our country? I'm not cooking Zim, but yay!
ayikopha
ku-6 Avenue.
Ekuseni.
Ba.
Ekuseni wezwa.
Awubuzi.
Ikhopha hlanganele Royco.
ngabona sonuka ikhwapha ekseni lawo.
Jay, uyabusisitile leli khwapha la kuthange leli.
Imarinetile.
awona nuka ikhwapha ekseni ikhwapha linuka kanjani ekseni.
Mina ngicanga ukubuza. Phakathi kwethu la. Ngibona uzabala sisibindi. So uhambe siyabaholisa amarolo no.
Thibanika.
bathatha mina ungathenga
Sponsoring
No, we
nyawo.
can do it anonymously, bro. Like, come and collect by
Put
some
that-
professionals.
Ating.
I'm like,
I
Ating
actually saw a
Sebastian,
video.
dude.
There was like, you know, these white people, they were at a rave, right? There was this guy. Why is it like, I want to scream at a artist perform? Why hambe was prayer one by one? Emakhwaphe.
Akengibo lo. Akengibo.
Fakele roloni.
Ngikusilande ebhawu kodwa siyakunukela.
No, but you know what? I realized like there's a real problem in Zim. There's a guy, Mkambe. Wathi yena ubona ngani ukusebenzisa idio, it's not healthy. Wathi yena kuyamphambanisa uprefer.
Ngoba.
Even omunye oyicolleague kamama. Wathi prefer ukuhamba natural enjalo.
Ungabudlala
Akafaki
ama-postcode.
powder
Ekhala
or
ke
what.
nga.
And wathi nguye labangane bakhe. And abangane bakhe balabangane lezihlobo.
ndoda kule ime
Lalabana abafaka ama-lemon.
kule
Abafaki next.
Respect
I just
us,
believe
guys.
ukuthi
kule imembe sake sayivakatshela nje. Bangani bami into le ngiqambi manje. Khuluma ivaru ukuthi kwazakala following day kuthiwa akari bafo sicela phela lokuzini sicela iColgate. Wathi avele mina lesixubha ngila.
Hayi ngize silahleke kuthandi.
yeah, sasilahlekile.
Ayengalazo sasingekho. Sixubha sasingekho endlini.
Kwakuyindlu yakhe kumbe wayevakatshela.
Bra,
Siyapho umuntu wayevakatshela wakhohlwa isixubu because this doesn't make sense.
sasingekho isixubho bro ngama vibes vele.
Ah, but umzimba
no, but
iyajudge.
what if they use that African I don't know what it
And
is.
Ocheri bamthanda, that's the thing.
Check sign and
Czechoslovakia.
No,
like,
but Ocheri
guys, it's summer, guys.
Ocheri
Please,
bamthanda futhi
please.
yabo. So it means
Into yakhe.
where's the groove you abathanda ukuhlabela kakhulu. Uthi, hamba
Juba. Hey, ba-emphasize.
Rough. Uyabo ngenzani wena ingceli ngathi. Ngathi lise club la fanele ngoni DJ. Mpe. Lithi phansi izandla ubona ukuthi.
I fight le.
okay.
Isho yama setshela
Lapha sebesisilo la. Lapha sebesisilo la. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99.
99.
Bese kuphose kwaba le accident ukuthi bese kwi
Ingxoxo
episode
99 or episode 99 is gonna be crazy, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Actually, I think siza celebrate more 99
Yeah, dog.
than 100.
Speaking of uthe kuphose kwaba le accident. This is a fucked up segue, but I want to send a shout out to umngane wami involved in an accident. No, it's true. Uthe accident ngakhumbula.
I realized that
It's a true story. I have a friend of mine who's a devout. She's a devout watch out. But she knows I'm full of shit, so it's fine. She's gonna get her shout out segue style. She's recovering. She had an accident along Harare Road. Ambalo cousin wake, Otango Keith, and yeah, she's actually at a superstar. And as the book at Cresta Church,
We just don't.
but the company said Chola.
No.
Dog, I was there last week.
Work
under my
Nigga,
super-
some of us. We work.
Wenzani khona?
She does in
Ajabona abantu bekhaya bakwazi ukuthenga ukudora kuphela.
Custodian.
Lalisenzani Krista, lalisenzani Krista. Wena no Ralph.
Sebenza.
Hey.
Separate. Oh, imani wo.
Manje separate is even more suspicious. Omnye afika ngo-12, omnye afika ngo-1.
When I said shout out to umuntu olimele.
Shout out to Blessy. Hope you get better, my guy.
Karozanga uthi
I hard and fair to get to that.
She's my guy still.
okay.
Who's your guy?
Olimele nga.
It was actually really bad, bro. She's wearing a back brace. It was really bad. Yeah, no, it was bad. Like she could have. It's fine. Yeah, Ute Mota has been like a 6, and then she was thrown out. No.
What's funny about this case?
This is a serious thing, dog. I even saw the pictures. She's really in pain.
60.
Fuck.
They see me rolling. Hey, bro, that was.
Ayakwazi ukuthi thina siyamthanda upodcast le ndisiyahlanya. We are coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House.
Zulu.
Abantu labantu abasitshela masitshela. But otherwise, the shop guys. Are you guys okay? Ibinjani iviki yenu? Ibinjani iviki yakho, bro?
The
The usual.
back-breaking work, but somebody's got to do it.
Yeah.
Backbreaking what?
That is really not what I meant.
So very busy, boss.
When I get Ralph Zagalan.
Nah, it was a chilled week. I was home,
Yeah.
relaxing, playing FIFA, like my gym boss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to. When I get Jane, Zagalan eviki yakho. What did you do?
Ngibona intuthu esikolo ngidala ngikwazi maybe repeat last year yami esikolo.
Indawo zokurepeata lezi liwe.
Mina ngiyakwazi guys. Angizangafika.
Yeah.
I didn't hide it.
To be honest, I was MJ afunda, but okay.
Uyafundela mama ngalo.
Yeah, well, I had an okay week, man. I was moving. So just settling in.
So when we tell my host,
I know, that's never gonna happen.
Maybe good.
Bro, I've been having a base, bro, but nah, just sitting in.
All about the base.
Yeah, this is actually my first night out since then, so yeah.
So how are you settling in?
Go sharp. It doesn't smell nice, though. I'll say that.
No,
like, no carpet, and so the previous tenant was supposed to like clean it.
So they always farting on the carpet or some shit.
No, I don't know, bro. But like,
it's
I think it's an old house, bruh. You know, it's it literally smells like apartheid, bro. Yeah.
So
it's
even like
white owned.
think like you can smell the previous person's coughs.
Bruh.
the coughs.
No, like we tried as much as possible to like clean it, but like who clean the carpet and the young can
Then
that.
lapho siyakwena isikali simi ngoba hayi konke selifuna ukukhuluma lo kanti wangenza ngacina isengasadla emzini
It's not the one.
It's not the one.
Yeah.
Awuchune.
But anyway,
So,
fun
like,
times, yeah.
Let's say news, guys. RIP to Fidelis.
Yes, yeah.
Like Belimazin.
I never met him in person, but he was
Yeah.
a good guy. Like on Twitter, we interacted a lot. Yeah.
Yes, even me, I'm going to discover this.
Nalami ngihambe ngacheck
because profile picture gang
Yeah.
so he used to interact, especially with our podcast.
Yeah,
as
ngihambe
well.
ngacheck like kilo kwizenini i-Twitter account yakhe. Why retweet sibili into ze
The picture kayini?
Why forget something else,
Oh,
not
okay.
his face, so you wouldn't know.
It's
Mina-
suicide, bro.
Yeah,
Like, was
that's
it
what I
suicide
heard.
awareness things?
It was suicide. You want to say something?
Oh,
Unjani, boss?
Andindaba so.
Askisi, how are you doing?
Right, but
Yeah, don't worry. Uzaba grand. Episode le yatipelele.
Yeah, it was so sharp.
yeah.
Suicide.
Yeah. Do you know who we must have asked, you know, how he was doing?
Afike abambisa ubunu ndoda.
As namhlanje ukesibonezi. Siyafaka amakhetheni nto sesizaqashuta kwenzakala i-accident futhi lapha
Famous street in that? Yeah.
Yeah.
playing accident.
Yeah, no.
It reminds
Yeah,
me
but
of a story.
speaking of like Taboka and us skipping, I feel like someone should have asked Vitalis how he was doing.
I think maybe
Yeah.
people did, bro, because
Yeah,
didn't
they
he
did
used to
actually.
actually chair these kind of talks?
I guess
I
so,
heard that
but-
was, it's what I heard. Ukuthi
But
vele-
mina nento engicabanga guys.
Yeah.
Simphi ncinci bese siba off mbijana but indlela le yoku grieve lately ukuthi like for example umuntu ofe nge-suicide where I want to start to post ama charts or izinto ezi-post kuthiwa I need help what sebe post ukuthi remember bengikhuluma la izolo be post stuff sona lesiya ama charts ay confidential liwona ngani into sharp especially abantu abanje abazali nxa sebebona into ezinjalo ku social media.
No, I think if you're posting the charts and you couldn't do anything about it, you're just a lame ass. You're
Yeah.
supposed to extend
It's-
into
yeah.
But
Yeah.
see,
Now, for me, I personally-
need help. You're supposed to
Yeah,
actually
I think it's highly
get the help for it,
inappropriate.
not
Yeah.
to use that for clout. Because Kareso in as a clout.
Yeah.
You want
Wait,
my
I
screenshots?
don't think
I remember
it's
I'm
all-
a ninja.
I'm sorry. I don't think it's all for clout. You know, people react differently to people's states. Like sometimes that shock, like you're just shocked. Oh my gosh, I was speaking to this. Abanye, they genuinely mean. I was speaking to this person yesterday. I don't mean to get clout for what they. Clout doesn't even pay them. They are not hosting any podcast or anything. They are not
Okay.
public figures. But then kulabanye uthi bakhuluma ka-1 or bamtheka upicture ka-2012 wabemghosta. Then so in 2023
Seposta ama-charts.
yeah, that was my those ones maybe. But
Yeah.
the close ones, sometimes they just do it to find comfort. People are different.
Okay.
And we're so strict.
Alright.
We want to gatekeep mourning.
Selo Jane uthi impost ama charts akho.
Awabibela. Posted ama-VNs fana nami ngihleka.
Ngithi,
Poste yonke into. They must
uJane.
know that
uJane ngimbona
speaking
izolo
esidlimengo.
esidlimengo kanti behamba.
Kade bevalelisa. Abandivele.
But I know RIP. I think into omele ziyenze ukucheckana nje as friends yabo. Because siyagoisha zonke la.
But there's something funny though, especially in Bulawayo. Like we sing this song every year.
Kungafa umuntu.
Kungafa umuntu. Yeah, be kind, be kind.
Yeah.
Senihleka ukuthi mina ngithanda commit suicide. It's just like that's how it is with people.
Yeah, uthi cycle
1
yakhona.
minute, it's just one cycle. We claim to care, but later, and you know, in people ya move on, ya goes on fast. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know what different song we can sing though.
Now, personally, sorry to cut you off. I personally feel like I know myself. I'm not that friend that checks up on you every week, bro. But I'm that friend who, even if you commit, in suicide, like, bro. Like, I'll try as much as possible to make sure that every moment we spend together, at least we get once or twice.
Yeah.
Each and every after 2 weeks or monthly.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be that guy on social media that's posting, hey guys, let's check on each other. Because hey, like me sometimes
Because
I feel like
iPhone, mina njengami iphone ihlale ku do not disturb. Sorry.
Now my phone has been on silence since 2009, bro.
Ngiyaxolisa.
You check. Like there's not bro. People think that,
Wanted to say something
Yes, I did. I wanted to say, sometimes I think abantu laba are active with social media and like they're influencers and they're people that are in the spotlight and they always help others. They're helping in all the time. They're the same people that at the end of the day, they don't have anyone to turn to because abantu babecabanga ukuthi I know he's fine or she's fine or anything. But at the
No,
same time,
fine.
again, second, especially abantu abangama-comedians abahlekisa abanye abantu yibo ama-artists or like these big people or anything. And then secondly, I wanted to say sometimes it's very difficult. I know we've had this conversation before. Males, it's very difficult for them to open up and all of that. But in general, as human beings, it's just so difficult. Sometimes if you reach out to someone and I'm going through this or I'm going through that, and maybe your friend might like, they can respond yes or no, but like, if you don't get that comfort from people, ninga reach out, it won't even help anything. They'll just like ghost me or anything. You are mana ngizithulele or something. And then that's where they create diaries, conversation on the paper and all of that. But that doesn't help an individual. 100%. So I guess that's where suicide falls. Like that's the only hope I have, because
Andilaleli. Andilaleli.
Mina vele kudala ringitrigger guys. Wesi elihlala liposta ama memes so umgcini wabehlala ehleka iziblayo yonke.
Njenge mina ngabona imposters yakhala. Mina nxa ngihepha
Siyafanana.
I'm posti lutho. Mina ngabona ngingaposti meme anything ngigrand. But ngabona lokho ngilifita ngecontent so.
Just know.
Azebe zikhala bro. Yabufuna kuphela at least mina nxa ngekho happy mara ngenza omunye umntwana abe happy something. At least ulalo uhlekile.
Also, like when I was going through a dark period in my life, there's this guy, he used to post funny shit like all the time. And sometimes analyze yourself. I would see his memes and they're so funny and they'd make my day. I would even look forward to waking up and seeing his posts. That's when I started posting like a lot. Because you don't who you're helping. Yo, can you say Danile guys?
No, sticks and stones. Ngithani man abangani.
No, ubulele laba. 5 out of 5 boy. 10 out of 10 boy.
Yeah, you were saying
10 out of 10. That one was nazi good. I'm funny Sweden man.
And also kungulanga straight.
That was a chef's kiss joke. No. Mina, in absentia of my colleague. I think I understand every time something tragic happens, people also start saying, let's check up on each other, and then it goes away. And then something tragic again happens, then it goes away. But I think really, for the most part, that is what anyway relationships are. And I mean this broadly, as in family relationships, friendships. It's a lot of hard work and maintenance. It's being there and taking accountability and policing each other. Every year, this year's so. Along the line, you slip, dog. You know, to attempt is probably 90% of what being a human being is. I think I said it on his podcast also, with that journey. So, I know all of us, really, we always get to a point where like, no, let's look out for each other. 3 weeks later, I mean, I don't think I can always be soft anyway. I can tell that he can take it. This one is my bro. This is how our relationship works. And I think this particular one is difficult because this was someone who was kind of a champion of
support
mental health and whatnot, which also shows that sometimes people you always strive to be what you want to receive. You know what I'm saying? Like ukuthi amamachita are depressed, are funny because they wish maybe some people could make them feel good.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah, and into a tricky ukuthi la elicabanga ukuthi kulabanye abantu maybe ababesibikela ku podcast le asibafaya singakwazi.
Yeah, true.
We used to watch a lot, but
Serious?
Yeah, were we still in SA at the time? Oh, we were
now
not
we're here, yeah. Someone commented,
because we spoke about this and then someone said in the comments, I'm not going out here.
Sorry for uphinde
but anyways, dizwile ukuthi umeya wakobulawayo useqalisile umsebenzi like serious.
Inwele zakhe zechaza ukuthi maqasa ke.
Yeah, wesisekhanda bro.
And kule nkana kuyimpukano akwekele nini madodana. Yeah, but it's dooming about.
So
yeah.
Check it doom laba.
So
sure.
A spot fine of $30 has been put in place for Bulawayo residents found floating a number of public nuisance bylaws that include littering, cooking on the streets, and public urinating. So bangakuthola uchema wena. Uchemisa so it. So umbuzo wami uthi Ama-scenes labana nxa sebekubambile.
Kuchuza. Asam.
Sebekubambile lapha uchema.
I know. Labana njengabantu njengamapolisi. Ipolisi lekhuluma ukuthi because he's so nini
Yeah, no it happens. Yatholakala.
ngoba umuntu ophiwe lesena sikhundla.
What?
They take his word for it. Engathi Tumelo ngimbambe rapper. So bengathi bakubambu
Ulokhuze like uchema.
Uchama.
so ngachema town. Even though ngana public toilet, so I guess everyone must just fucking hold it. I guess.
Yeah, because
Screw your shit tight.
because into khona ukuthi izinto lezo ngama solutions to into adevele sesijayele like sis bese siphila lakho yabo. So umbuzo wami vele ukuthi sifike njani ku point wena leyo ukuthi sebeze besifakela imithethweni nje so sobhadala ama $30.
Okay.
Alright.
I personally think I knew I was to come out on Bichana, but I think the reason why we got to a point where we even know what we're in, I won't mention names because some of these establishments I go there as well.
Yeah.
But so kuthiwa kulezing indawo ethanga kuthiwa kunokumchemo lapha. Awuhanjwa. You know, but the reason why we got
Centenary Park laba ungangena ngomkoto laba.
yeah.
Bawena wo baro laba. Mama.
But I'm just saying like I was saying I feel like we've got a lack of public toilets. If we had
No,
functioning,
you don't feel like dog. We do have
with that, that's the fact. If we had
Akona
public
ilana
toilets that work and are maintained and more than just one, and I'm not saying ukuthi lapha lungisani lana ase city hall and sithembe wona kuphela. Do better. Right now, this is my experience. I don't know if guys can relate, but I now have maybe between 3 to 4 places in town where I know what if I'm pressed, this toilet is clean enough for me to go there.
Good thanda amakaka futhi. But intensela kuzenini nje.
But ungabanjwa mdala.
Intense smokehouse ngesarati.
Yeah.
Isiza sadi kha.
madoda. Okunye lisathi.
Manje othuma impukani yakhe siyacela. Emephenxe kungavula iminyango ngasingaphuma. Yeah.
Take care of the fly sheet, bro.
Aya, ole othuma impukani yakhe siyaxolisa la. Wesikhuluma ngamakaka ihlibuye la. Izwi ukuthi sikhuluma ngokudla kwayo la.
Funa
But
ukufaka
yeah,
umbono.
ikho khona kwa sport. Lisilethele impukani lina bachimi, laba brand.
Abachemi laba.
Labaphrani.
Labakaki.
Alabani.
So benzathi ngiserathi ngisi
Laba kodwa lisenza inkhanda. Very proud umuntu umnyango uviyo. UTumelo is not even committed.
Kuthiwa ngoBrahman.
Brahman.
Brahman. Nabo Brahman. Kumbukhona osuzile.
Abazivalele umnyango.
Bano osuzile umalala.
Iluse phela Tumelo.
Wathuma isibu umalala.
Belihlala kanjalo.
Nensiyada dog.
He's such a baby, bruh.
All right, you're saying.
Benzakhulu uthi ngathi ngize ismokehouse isisu sangiqalisa. Velani bengilama problems isizwe lapha.
Yeah.
Njanzi ithe siyangena vele toilet lapha na vele mpethwe ngamakaka kelahla bro. Kelahla bro. Ngichazelele out igqoka iskipa se Galaxy boy. Ethi bro. Mana langu xoxele something. Bro,
Trying to take a shit.
ngizama ukuyazinceda lapha nje ukuthi vele abantu awazi ukuthi bakwazela ngami. Maybe nxa fan of the podcast or BY or
Ufuna usponsor.
ngiyathiwa ngiyaphapha.
Yeah.
Wayemele linye ibhawu so athi yambona member lo wayengixotshe ibhawu kudala kare sisebenzela mina. Umember sivele lokho emile sithi hayi mfana. Ngathi karona ungubani uthi bro mina ngani wathiwa ijola lo bani uthiwa ijola lo I think wajola lo mna kaGinimbi or something remember ngone. Wathi mina nganjola lo mna kaGinimbi nginguzba ibizo lakhe sengalikhohlwa of course because ngamphethe ngamakaka. Yabo ngathi ngingena lapha lokuzeni nini bensiya ku point yakho ukuthi zikhona ezinye indawo eziclean.
Yeah.
Like smokehouse sibili ngathi ngifika lapha ne toilet toilet yankhona isharp sivile ngavika
Uyini?
Wabekela.
ngabekela baba
Uthi uze brand
yabona
smokehouse.
yabona into efana mawusiqedile publicly laba i-period lana eyokulahlisa lento uthi ngani ubuchema
Uthi ansifoni.
Uphuma usefonini.
Phuma complain efoni.
yaqala uvule lo mnyango futhi ume khanya ngathi ubuchema
Just taking your time.
yabo uziphumele sharp but
Indaba yamalokhu zenini, I think if they start from here and then they end up fixing amalokhu zenini, I could understand, because it's a very, I just feel like you have 100,000 people coming to the CPT, you have no sanitation for them.
Yeah.
And
Cheeky,
then
bro.
your
Yeah.
first thing is to start punishing. Of course, we need that. It's still as we lash. But where do people go? Where do people go actually?
Yeah.
labathengisa umumbu futhi labo kuthiwa $30 so
Which is that's the next thing that I wanted to get to, like ukuthengisa umumbu.
Ama-Russian lana
Lama-Russian-
mnandi,
ama-Russian
sitting
lana nje kamnandi nje, especially nxa udakiwe into.
amna lana
Lana sharp. But what I'm saying is, like, what are those guys doing wrong?
Yeah,
I know that
people
is
need
thing
a
Russian
budget
lapana sempitwe isizwa njengomgcina sengigula is going to be a problem. But I'm just saying, like,
But you must be licensed to be a street vendor, dog.
yeah.
So kulama certain areas that designated ukuthi lapha this can be sold here, this can be, then you go to a city council and you apply for that kind of license. So lokana
Okay.
monitor my license, it's fine, I get it. But once again, we are living in a country where 96% people are unemployed.
Yeah.
So utabantu be fry office to have a poche office yako. Yipi dog.
angila office ndo
Angina office.
Yeah, but I think lapha lokho abakwenzayo kumele baqale befaka ama-toilet, because now let diarrhea, you can't tie the anus.
Dog, very there's nothing you can do.
akuthiki bro
Any-
aparisi
inboxing lama-sports okhudela
Like, let's share our spots.
Yeah.
I don't mind. I don't mind personally.
kule toilet yako
uzaqotsha
I mean,
Enye into
Well,
yabo-
you know,
enye
actually
into yabo
promoting this
i-problem,
place
I
is
know.
better.
Promoting what? Umuntu be botcha.
lapha I see
no badla khona babhotshe khona
lapha I
phela
see man
But
but
I
nginomngane
think
wami
i-problem-
othi ikhane cancer is always the best for him
even ko-have
ehave
Mina liza.
Vele
Heavy is
i-square
entry
biles
level,
nje.
bro. Heavy is
square
entry
biles
level.
uqala
Mdala.
ama-receipts,
Entry
bruh.
level,
Entry
a lot
level,
of people
Mdala.
in this.
You see, it's happening again. It's happening again.
passionate ngani
It's happening again.
passionate
No,
ngamakaka ishit
Obraman. Podcast yabo Obraman.
owerembo the
Rainbows actually.
akula admin eningi
Yeah.
ngiyangena phela nge-release
No, the problem is that it does ning, and I've noticed like they don't have soap. So I like Rainbow because you can actually wash your hands properly with soap and dry them afterwards.
lezi nxozona lama-workers akhona kule Wi-Fi futhi
Hey, kule Wi-Fi, kule Wi-Fi,
Mauzu
actually.
full Brahma, the last thing you're thinking about is
mina
who gives
kudala
us.
bengakangqotshi
Nah, vele, ah.
bepioneer house
epioneer house
bengakangqotshi laba
ngapho ngikhona
But Pioneer
Ninth
House
floor.
is not that.
oweskies metro
But
Ibitwenga.
indazi njengopioneer ngeke ufuneka namakhiye la
Ibitwenga.
But I think a Pioneer House, like especially the 9th floor, it's not that clean because everyone. Yeah, because everyone will be at
Ojeni.
uyathola kuvu.
alami sengikwazi
Uyathola
ukuthi eskies
kuvu.
metro kuyakakeka ngiyakaka
Next year, hey, so botcha la.
siyobhosha la siyobhosha la ngeke
Ah,
lisifile
ni botcha la
Iboye
idala.
tsala.
Umhlobo nebesebenza khona.
But mina,
Isipho ezi-
Next week guys made
Zomosha kakhulu.
Bafana befuna wa podcast.
Landa
that we are
ukuzokunyela.
here for an interview.
Landa
Oh,
ukuzokunyela.
serious, kuthiwa ikhona muhla. Alright, can I just go to the toilet kancane?
Yeah.
Mhle vele uhambo
Yeah.
PC but
Also,
Ababhayizayo nje
I'll
ngama-food
say
outlets.
Zara lounges are they've got pretty clean
Yeah,
toilets.
yeah,
Actually, all those establishments, maybe just give them a shout out. They are, ngingangeni ku ejwaleni babo lokudla kwabantu. Your toilets are really shit worthy, man.
That was nice, bro.
bese ngethukile
That was nice.
They are the shit. So that's Zara, Crystal, Havana, Cubana. They are. Isihlalo sobukhosi sibili
Awufana
lapha.
ukudebekela rethu.
Even nasemachechi ngiyanini emachechi
Asemachurch, bro.
emachechi ngamasarati
Uthenga
Exactly.
Yeah.
Family of coaches. A clean
Ngifike
church.
ngisuke ngiyabhotshe town. Anyway.
ngamasarati
No, the thing is, look at check out uplalela mdala.
So right. This cool man now.
ngamasarati libuye lokhu ze libuye beacon of hope
Intoni?
But as a way of giving back, I feel like there's big food outlets. Kia jake ama toilet abo nto. Cause kada sebefuna ama receipts. Iba baforce abantu bekufine be.
Ama receipt.
Ezindaweni eziningi sebefuna ama receipt like ukuthi did you actually use there?
Manditshele machethi.
Ngikona.
Sakhuluma
Wabona
amagama
bekucela receipt yabo movie.
It's just shit, bruh. Like,
so abusithini like nxa ngingathutsha ngiphisi ngingala
Sikobona
receipt
receipt.
ngikakele nga
But na machethi guys, ngiyacina sengipentshela yini ngicela ngiqala ngijune la sensiyathenga.
hey, futala wangena confidence.
yabona kubhizi
Jay.
balizile ukuthi kule cholera outbreak
So sesuke 2 vini sesemkhudweni.
garesi
Results.
ngokwamaqini
From donuts to hot chocolates.
Mfana
so the current cholera outbreak in Zimbabwe was first reported on 12 February but daily cases started to increase mid-May.
I'm going to say something controversial.
Wait. As of 30 May 2023, a total of 1,799 new cholera cases and 44 deaths had been reported.
May khona le.
Yeah, from Mgcini in Zimbabwe.
Yeah. Mine is a question. Uqayisele ngaphi?
Angizokuthiwa angazi iqalisele ngapha but recently this week alone 5 cases have actually been confirmed Harare.
Yeah. Wow.
Ukuthi yeah.
Error kushona kusenzakala. I think it's a pretty it's a pretty good warning for us now. Look at inyele endleleni. Eventually something is going to give.
Boso falo choma bona no Ephraim mangwanda lwa.
Emgoqweni.
No Ephraim gogodla. Bana. Arara uthi no Ephraim gogodla.
Ephraim gogodla abantu esidla. Awuzwa ngongekho.
Hey.
But also beware guys.
Yeah,
Cholera outbreak abantu bageza izandla mabephuma etoilet. Benze futhi okunye.
Manza sila.
Bangagezise bangadle emzini because last week futhi sizokuthiwa kwezinye izindlu ugezisa nje masini.
Ukudla ngabe yangikhaya.
Wasenze ukuthi singacela ukudla ngini.
Ansenza yabo. Anifuni izinto.
Ningadli
But yeah.
kokabelo.
I feel like this is, I think namhla isikhulume ngamakaka kwaze kokwana ungabona ufuna ukukhuluma ngekaka next week hayi ukhona omunye ufuna ukukhuluma ngayo like ukugcina like avalelisi uThuvi ngoba
hayi skins feel episode 100 skins channel I topic there
hani
it's like how much can you say
someone is itching here.
but manje small
What's itching?
what's itching my bro
Mfuthi asenzeni like a pattern or muthi
wazakhuluma ngamakaka keep him uyathengela abantu kudla
hayi ama-pads you increase an initiative
20 packet yeah
yeah 20 packets exactly
going forward la sesizaba indlela i-punishment
no yazina vele yazonubuya lakho
Ufana yasimart,
I think okokuqala uyakhuluma engasebenzisi imic ingekho emlonyeni
Yeah.
lipad
Pad 1
but abasebesiqile laba ngoba thina
okay no, let's keep it simple and we want to reduce
amagaka
amakaka
Yeah.
so going forth now asithini ngathi topic
ozakhuluma but alright ilokuzeni
Ngabukela kumadlubutho.
ama cases echolera angakhwela ke singabuyi sizotshela abantu ukuthi bangabe bezinya
no, this one is
Really,
different
just know you're the one who's going to suffer the most, bro.
because when I very first
I'll
thing
shock you guys
when I very first thing when I
Chocolate surprise.
so asithini uthi
utumela inhlambi yamsindu
Yamsindu.
wathi mdede
dide umdide
bitch, fuck you.
Alright.
exactly like this and so like we
So
can
mana
do-
sithi lapha izinto ezibhadalisa iziphi la ngana ngisekosho la
ubutuvi buyabhadalisa.
or like
The
from
same way sithi cancelile fine and that is the fine
ozakhuluma ngamakaka iyabhadala ngepacket
Ngepacket.
Brahman.
amapacket
Yeah.
starting from now
That's a trend amazimba.
alright so starting from now
starting
guys.
from now
ozakhuluma ngamakaka
so singasakhulumila ngoCasper
Grandmother, yes.
but anyway question of the day
Yeah.
alakwazi ukuthi njengenjwayelo njengenjwayelo siyabuzana imbuzo siphendule sambe endlini.
Yebo.
So what's a scam that's so normalized that we don't even realize is a scam anymore? Or should I
Uyabona statement esithi I love you from umuntu othandana naye. Ngisho lonke. You.
Umemara mphinde umbuzo abangazwanga. I said, what's a scam that's so normalized that we don't even realize it's a scam anymore?
I love you.
I love you.
Ngiyalitrika guys.
No, come through.
Ngiyaphana ngiqambelana amanga everything.
Siyathandana
It's a
nonsense.
scam.
Yeah,
It's a scam.
True.
Am I
Yeah,
lying?
it's a scam.
Guys,
No,
why is
you're
he so
not-
silent?
you're
I
not
hit a nerve
camping.
or something.
Yeah, you're not careful.
Hey, abakwazi ukuthi
Hayi siyachecka, siya mental check yokuthi. Maybe nona wayesinye.
All right, Jane. So I have a
Where's
question.
God damn.
nanga ipacket la
What you say?
sithumele.
Kuyisindebele, kuyisindebele lapha.
Oh, Jane.
Packet from
Got you,
Kbrizzy.
bitch.
Give it up for Kbrizzy.
Yeah.
Ibali langaselikhuluma right.
Cool.
All right,
Document
so
it.
I had a question for Jane on that. I love you. And when do you think it's appropriate for I love you ephume in a relationship? Like after how long?
Akaphume ngezenzo.
What is empathy?
Ah, wow. You say anything. Yeah.
Khameni laphana sibili.
Umuntu ligide kahle ebhawuza sothi I love you yazi. Hi. You.
Hayibo.
Oh.
Donate a page, man.
Balethayo ukudlala thukuzini ndoda.
Dlala ni plan.
So kudlala iplani lapha.
Yeah.
But mina ngiyalithanda guys. It's not a secret.
Not a
I know
scam?
wena ku
Love
genuine.
you, bro. Love you, Jane. Love you, Taboka. Love you, Ralphie. Love you, Tumelo.
Yiche konyo bros le.
Yeah.
Esiyenza.
I love you guys.
Yeah.
Mina
Mhlakudlula amankazana amahle. Wena.
Athiwa ngokuwa mane ma steps.
ale geza wosisi eh.
Sisila babake.
Nazo na igeza
Yeah.
elifere cafe eh.
So wena uthi I love you scam nani?
Sho njalo.
Hapa me I love you guys.
What
Love
you say?
Nah, I think in that context, yeah, it's not
Yeah.
a scam, but in context yena khuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Scam.
Ukuthi yabomba udliwana nje sophomba uyi.
Love you.
Sithem
Because
loose.
you feel like saying, you feel like it's appropriate at the time.
Kodwa vele abantu abathandanayo bakhuluma into enjalo.
Yikupho unye okuyi scam. Elibone ngathi it's been
Um,
normalized.
I think what's a scam, especially in African society, kuyabekezela emendweni, some shit like that. Yeah.
Zwile.
Context, baba.
Zwile.
Context, baba.
All right,
No.
-1, all right.
Ukulingana wena.
All right, sharp.
All right, sweet. Yeah. So I think that's a term that's been used to support and enable abuse in relationships and marriage, and yeah, ngalokho mina ngithi it's a scam.
It's a scam.
Yeah. I feel like
But what if abazali bethu babekezela sikhona isikhona?
you go pay like it does just because they are parents doesn't make them right.
Mina
Yeah, I know, but silapha.
Mina sengalina on half of what Buras is saying. I wouldn't say, that particular thing, but I would say, sadly, marriage is a scam.
Actually,
Mariachi.
I
a scam.
mina I think okunye kuyi scam man. Singakafiki vele kuela. Ilobola why is a scam.
No, it's not.
I scam
I
ilobola.
feel so. I've said this before. I'm not a parent yet, but I doubt. But I doubt I'll
Lobola
demand
is
lobola
scam.
for my daughter.
I feel like lobola is a scam if it's too much. Yabona ma lobola umuntu omthandayo ngeke vume be empty pocket yakho because pocket yakho ngiyakhe. Ilobola is vela ngeke lobola is a token of appreciation. U appreciate abazali bomntu. You guys, marriage ikucombine abadlozi
marriage is
introducing what. No, I'm speaking about lobola. When we virgin, velu lobola bank balance na that's that day. But
That's
when
a
someone
different
wants to-
argument.
no, you know what? When you're actually lobolaring somebody that you love, it doesn't feel like a scam. Hence, I'm always preaching. Can you just be with people that you fuck with genuinely? Because it won't feel like any. Angeka vume be empty my pocket wakho. Because that guy is appreciating
abantu bangibo
your
nje.
parents for raising you. For raising you.
Because, yeah, when I
And
think
also, who handles the wedding expenses?
yawazi into enzakala kumalobola dade ikuthi umfazi wakho
Yeah.
wena ukuze aphume ngiwe like bemhlonipha kumele aphume like ngamalobola strong anti yakwazi gogo like
Ewe.
umntwana oyinkazana
Bathi awaqedwa.
ngicoceda umntwana oyinkazana mayephuma endlini kumele aphume ngamalobola like strong so uma ukuthi ujola lo breeze akwazi ukuthi breeze many streams of income ihamba yabathipa ukuthi awu breeze udlalela ku range nje so abasoke ba
Mayengamthandi.
hayi ebethusha ekwazi ukuthi ubreeze imali yangikhona sengiyikhipha yena
Mayengamthandi.
but yabatshela abadala because at the end of the day la kumele usuke ngini chain
Bese siba izihlobo after that futhi.
Yeah, but you shouldn't use indoda yakho as a cash cow for your friend. That's how you see akakuthandi.
No, to know what the problem is. these days.
Mawuthandiwe for real. Angeke avume bekuskema.
No, to know what the problem is these days, and even if Mtanda, the family, is the one that's what would be saying, okay, Mchita, I wanna keep a local, and so now you as the girl who's being given, and you don't have.
You do have a lot of say
or
in those
power.
things.
Whereas on that day, yabungeko.
Vele abanathula vele yabo.
Babekufihlile bedroom. Sebekubiza afterwards sokuthiwa nguye lo yini indoda.
Uqale vele ethi mna wakho.
So vele these days, and especially with these new age parents, what they take advantage, say, okay, landla vele ungabona ama list angaya ukubhala into ema vele umasala wefuna iport imbiza wathatha umdala wefuna ijazi wathatha isicathulo. So they do take advantage of those. What? Of those things. Of those things.
Kebe kule suit navy isicatshe ezibrown amasoklana lana amathayilana amasokisi lana
amna ngikhatshana lokulobola ngikwazi
lama happy socks futhi
Yes, sayisaphuma sibamba
Abantwana
amakhanda
babantu
lenyishomi yami
Not ma- I mean, I feel like
it's not a commodity that's what I'm
Uthi,
saying
man- Kwama njani?
sayisaphuma sibamba amakhanda lenyishomi yami kwenye earlier this year sebesibulile
azifana sahamba
sami satsha ingoma yechechi
sihamba sisiyalobolisa olunye ngomunye umnyaka bra I think ngasuka ngadinga amanzi ezihlobeni zami ezazihlala eduzane ukuthi basinika amanzi okunatha
Kungena manje.
Uthi kwathiwa umuntu lwana ade thu ngizokhuluma uphambanisile ufake zero abaningi
Mthotha
Basebexolisa.
but sacichira at some point
kwakuyilahlile bro kwakuyilahlile nje yabona lokuyena ukuthi wena uyabuhambe lile mali li expect ukuthi hani vele lihamba lile budget
nempela mele 10k
idlalela
bafuna
100 wena bathi bafuna 100k
But do you know that you're not supposed to finish it at one go?
yeah but still not 100k
Yeah, of course.
No,
le.
you don't even finish it anyway.
Yeah, it's true. I look sakwazi.
I think only so depend on culture for
like what scares you the fact that they'd ask for a figure that much
The thing is still, and where the scam part comes in is the fact that now the family of the girl, they actually, some of them do take advantage. Uti, she's getting married. So
Yeah.
they'll use the guy for them to get the things that they want. That's where the scam part comes in. So for extend imali yakho. Yabo, when it was a project before you even came in. But I thought,
You even know what? Hey, Bafan.
came in
Side.
aye.
udasikani babebona nje ukuthi lapha bakuthengisela ibhomba
Exactly. So
Kana vele ngithi.
kare manini lina li azi mina into ezimfungeke lapha especially when avuyi like i-ranking like hothi umfazi ukhishela inkomo ezingaka like bayebegeje ngani because wena ngathi uya stress entweni le ukuthi
all right ideally I mean I wouldn't know my views on lobola are like are different and umfazi nxa ngimthanda sibili ayikho khona ukuthi abazali bayanqabe sithi bafuna yona 100k nje akamele mbona iplan kumbe ngithi hayi isesihlukana but I would like to think that this is how they do it. They look at how she's been raised, you know.
Level of education.
Exactly. Singakafiki kule education and esikhathi ke abantu umuntu lo sibili nje ukhuliswe kuhle nje kathanda uzothekile kathanda ukukhuluma ngamakaka
uzinzile
I'll gladly donate.
No, but in some cultures, they actually do look at the level of education. They'll say, my daughter has gone to MIT. They do say, my daughter has gone to MIT. What?
Doctor.
Exactly. So,
Okay, mina ngikubuza something. Asithi your she had a very rough upbringing. Or akakhuliswa ngendlela straight.
Layby.
Was straight in A1. Then what?
Like, you're not the one that charges low water, bruh. Yabuthemba khona ukanti hayi uma
Then
bebebona
abantu
ukuthi
labo-
this one is a little,
Because,
it's a little
okay,
rough around the edges.
Umntwana
You know.
ozothekileyo oziphethe kahle kanjani?
Wena.
Ekhanya bro like
Hayi, ukuthi-
ngeke ufike
Eziyabo
ezingeni
manje
lokusenjalo.
ndoda. Umntwana lona vele maybe ebasikhulela la ehuzu ka wasechayisa ujinimbo wamnika ilambo. Sebebuya kuma negotiation bethi umntana ethule ilambo.
Kuhamba nje.
But
Yeah,
imali
yeah,
engaka.
yeah.
But
And
we know
unfortunately,
how
vele
she
kunjalo
acquired
kuma
those
negotiations
things.
amaningi, bruh. So that was the first thing, right? And then obviously like level of education. Yeah. So nxa ukuthi you know, vese singakayicoacha singafi khona apha singakachana like nxa ukuthi ingce after form 4 what time na gym na ngifuna ngene studio mina. Yeah,
Crow kera mina wena.
Hayi.
No,
Imimika.
I'm hate.
Sorry.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
like they go from that level, bruh. Like whether did she go beyond grade 7? Did she go beyond O level? Did she go beyond A level? Did she get to varsity, masters, like bachelor, masters, whatever, PhD? Yeah, one. So for example, and who's this one? This globetrotter with Tulolo simtanda go Twitter. Yvonne Mapos. I think she's got a PhD if I'm not mistaken. Is she married? I don't think so.
Olokuzala ngabhayizi egcina saliloboleki. Udok.
Aya.
Udok ngabhayizi egcina saliloboleki.
Udok wethu.
Udok wethu.
Ah.
Yeah,
Sachatisa.
boy. So yeah,
Oh.
ngena-
Aya.
then the third thing for me, I think the third and final thing would be like an issue of virginity. No, for me, it's not an issue, but I know what ngasebe charger, for lack of a better term, they factor that in. So unfortunately, and in this virginity, you can't test that, you can't prove it.
Oh, no,
so
you
they only reduce
That's me
greatly,
now.
like nxa nguthi lo mntwana.
Di laba malume ipromise
Wena kabelo yakwazi ukuthi kuthiwa unkazana maye esiya ku virginity test efuna pasa uyafaka something yenkukhu phakathi lapha. Yes. Something
Ningi
yenkukhu.
mic nje.
Something yenkukhu like
Unyawo.
Like ama-wings.
ishandisi leyani enkukhu there. They know where to
Uthe
insert
something.
it.
Oh.
Apparently they used to do that kudala. Amaxhosa.
Kare sanzokule vagina tightening.
Sinister, bro.
Hayi, whether you tighten or what, if the hymen is
But vele these days
It's not a matter of how tight it is, and nguthi lapha ungahluza and kumele uphume la usuku
Hayi, mina ngikwazi.
tomato sauce yabo.
hayi mina vele I think indaba ze
Vuyi wena ukwazi utest wena telling us like this guy's like
Amna lokuthi mina into ngakhula mbukela no uzalo la ndlala. Kukhona lapha kushaka yini
guys, you see person you scam, come on. Vuyi is lying now.
Esinye scam isiphi?
TTI.
i-virginity nayo ngesinye scam.
Scam in what sense?
Guys, in every way.
Ukuthi like abantu abathi ngama-virgin asoma-virgin.
Jay, abantu ndoda
uJane uthi staying a virgin is a scam.
It
Mas
is.
bebaneni ilanga liyashisa.
Jesus, dokotela.
Into kunye uJane.
But I kind of agree.
Because ekugcineni bazokuvuthuza. Uyabona imimi leyo.
Yazi amahula amabili
Ukuthi
evumelana.
abantwana izifebe geza lawe sikuvuthuza.
Ngeza la sikuvuthuza.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's scam. Yeah, virginity.
Yeah,
scam.
ngiyafsake.
Because eventually you're gonna use the products.
Yeah, which is fine.
No, kena it's a matter of ukuthi
For what?
umethe ngesikhathi ofuna ngaso.
Yeah.
Plus this days no sokule nto eziningi oral anal thini.
Boss, reverse.
No longer a virgin.
But guys, to even hear that story. Like, kuthiwa khona.
kuyigcinela umshado but
Exactly. Yeah. And I once tweeted about this before.
Umbuzo-
In Bulawayo, there's a growing community of women. Abahlabesa uSim 2 because they're saving uSim 1 for
marriage.
their
So
marriage or
akuyabona
their
ukuthi-
boyfriends.
No, like mnumbuzo wami uthi nxa umasturbate lokuli virgin.
no way.
Yeah, no, yes. Yeah.
I was trying to pause that.
Hey, yes.
Wait, you know what? Okay, fine. I'm still a virgin, right?
Yasonke tese trima Virginity
I'm
panapa
kidding.
handit.
I feel like masturbation helps one learn. Right, BP. Beatas meters. When you beat your meat, when you do beatas meters, right? I think it helps you learn more about your body before you expose it to somebody else. What did you know? What you say? What you say? Come again. What did he say? Share a joke. Share a joke. What did he say?
University got to funding.
DJing the bin.
Anyways, yeah.
Point I feel like umuntu vele all ama sexual feelings and once you attend to them and you're able to reach, 12 o'clock. Personally, I think virginity is gone. Maybe mafomadi ukuthi hey haime nienzweni ungeniwe kwenzwa ntoni la
okunye futhi abadala look at this from also a standpoint maybe from like a spiritual realm ukuthi once you sleep with someone you are attached to that kind of person, so you couldn't just masturbation maybe I don't know ukuthi abadala sonto
Karenge masturbation au connecting Bluetooth or something.
You're just fucking some random demons. They're just waiting.
Well, I guess
What I will say, and singakafaki indaba yama soul ties and whatever, I will say that as a guy, I've made clearer decisions and my life has been more at peace when I've had an empty nutsack. Some people call it post-nut clarity. I don't think
shut down.
So na medical way lo can't uzicabanga sharp.
Suke ngabambeka.
Hey, what's the other scam, guys?
I actually know what you mean, hey, because sometimes say when I'm stressed or before an exam, don't judge me. Do not judge.
Nah, it's judge it na.
Like I feel, yeah, I know I'm heavy, but I feel lighter. If you roast yourself, they can't get you. So
I'll feel guilty.
Guilty? No, I feel happy.
Also, shy is come on, feel like
sengifike lapho fanami. Angisazo next. Uyabona kunesikhathi lapha nothi mawuzuvala amathephu la nado asebenzisa.
Ngebe kule voice like shame.
No bitch, new day, the birds are chirping. I'm done with this.
Shame.
So feel like you do your masturbation ongayenze vela usafeel next.
Ngizizwa ngifila alive.
Why
Yaphuma usharp fanami. Njengo Jonas Sparks one.
Why is it?
Mina ngikhulekela ukuthi ngingafiki kule video lelo nje. Hayi.
Yazi chocolate ukuthi
Masturbate ukabele enhloni.
yithi ichocolate into usha indlu lapho ngene sithi kumnandi anti. Mina semphume nje ngubulale on the spot.
Lalela ukuthi Thomas aliyozakala ethi thathani phela Tumelo lisazele isirefera.
Lisibambe ikanyaphi.
Machesi nalo mthoma konje lesinye story. But to this day I think eyila manga le. Ithi yava ebhawu umjito elayinini yabo. Zaphela ngendlela ama2 exen. Sharp sisi yava yakila. Ide isilele endlini yasivuka ekuseni ama check umjito wami. Uthi wathi efika uthola ngakhiwa. Uthi wathi evula wabe ithola inokile. Veli. Yabo. Uthi nganyenya ngavala umnyango ngavala kahle gate khwangwa ngasayigate
Ukuthi akhiye very
bombo ngava
Ukuthi azijune.
Actually, I've actually got a similar story to that. Like my own personal experience.
Meba ukhanda bro.
I am kandang, but sakhan nomunye. So yeah, like whilst ngesikhathi sami ngisahost ama game night like uma BNB lan. Yeah, so we went out amachita. Personally, me that's not my thing, but amachita sesifungia tia a clapping the pana, a cosmopolitan at 2 a.m. Zahamba one yapendwa ingela nyoni. So I think the guy in the middle of the night he just decided that women are not going to be my thing. Let me. I not even that. Let me drink alcohol today. So by the time we got home, man, remember where I see him poop velan. So everyone's not jumping inside the rooms and you're not very didn't make it outside the car. Like you know kind of like on the back seat, bro. Like you just slept like on a pan. So in the morning, bro, everyone's waking up, bro. Like everyone's just like bright and early. We check imota jela pana uvuliwe phela uvuliwe. Remember lokile kona pana kanti veli isandla sinjani. Siphakathi la.
I give up, buddy.
I think I still have. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know, but
Shit, man.
When I'm cleaning koba amafutha.
Yeah.
Emzimbeni.
Mina ngigcobe mafutha. Shot dry.
Indoda maybe. Yeah, nomhlopha. Awucobi.
Yeah.
Kabe ucobani.
Wena ngitshela ukuthi wena man ngitshela like bakhona aba dedicated sibili ukuthi yaqala gcobe.
Moisturize.
Hayi.
Wena kabe ucobani.
I think into lesiyenza different.
Lezi ngezeglisini.
I think into lesiyenza different.
Ayo. Kuthiwa kulala ngisebenzisa anointing.
Kule
anointing oil.
But take my guy out probably use.
Alifela order now, father.
Ezwini udawoni ngihamba.
No, leadership.
Bro, yakula like kule post
Normalize those guys, eh? Kade singongena etown yathi hamele mbele past la but.
Hayi TTI lokena kwenza lokho.
Lamanye ama scam abhalwe ngabantu lapha ku Instagram ade sibabuza. Ngoba mbo. Baba lo. Feel like wena ngosungasikhethela.
Hey. Econet bundles. My God.
Yeah, Econet.
Econet. Yazi Econet ukena kuphonga ucheba ngesichebe esikhona kuphela phathi.
Singakuthini?
Wena clean shop yabuzaza ukuthi mina ngili vegetarian. Someone said the female orgasm.
Oh, that's a scam.
That's a lie. It's not a scam. It's there. Wanna just find the right USB cable.
There's no scientific
Type C
to connect.
Type C.
Do you Type C?
Herbalife.
Herbalife is scam. Mbona mesithi girlfriend allowance.
Herbalife
living in Zim. Marriage, lobola, adulting. Hey, Econet yatopa. Vanuve Econet. You are a fucking scam. Le network. Yakwazi kula network Econet komba. Econet.
Ndoda.
Akula Econet
dikho kule 5G khona uvale khona yakho nalele 4 yakho living yakho.
Kunzima bangani bami.
Ay. Kuthiwa skolo is scam. Voting. Do you guys think voting is
voting is a scam in Zim? Voting is a scam.
Yeah, Zim is problematic. Yeah.
Zim,
Econet igcwele la.
Ndo inonzi indiscipline your comrade.
Sorry, chef.
Please read your comment because I see it here.
Ngisa scroll comment ding.
You read it already.
Econet, mina lama bhala Econet.
But I voting.
Umgcino bhala lobola.
Yeah. And yayathola ama likes amaningi actually.
Uyabhala Pastor Mboro la.
Yeah, esingama pastor lezi abantu sebazi normalize. Those niggas are scamming people.
It's true, dog. I-prosperity gospel lenja le.
Yeah.
Abafana abancane ama 2-piece, lama 3-piece suit.
But lokuzena uBreeze wathi angafika like kule minyaka athi angafika uthi angiseko show. But wathi kule minyaka angathi angayifika nti. Yebona impilo simchayile. Asizame konke kwayala ayavula ichurch.
Abanye ngidanela khona lokho into ekudanela eSatan Fighters. Omnye take out repack his game la.
Akona nto right yenza le card.
iPhones also.
To iPhones. How sweet.
iPhones are a scam, guys. We all know.
How is it a scam?
We spoke about this last episode. They haven't given us anything new in like 5 new phones.
Bro.
We just keep buying.
People pick smartphone. Ama S20 la fanana onke the last 3 or 4 of them.
Ama roadblock angela ama traffic cone.
iPhone is ngizenyofa.
I think in life nje
guys scam. Abantu baqamba izinto zeZimbabwe la.
Kunomunye umuntu obhaletha and awuntelane ukuthi nxa uscrolla something ufake inkosi ukuthi type amen if you ignore you have 10 years of bad luck.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mina lokena akutshela futhi.
Azali lethu madoda.
Mase Tumelo sebe straightena.
Abazali bethu.
Ngikhismus.
Sansendele iblue tick yakhala sibile emuntwini.
Blue tick medical.
Nibonile lokana mina dude.
Like kule tweet like le Twitter thread sibeleke yadla ubhedu like during the week. Azi ngibonile. But I think libonile sonke lapha sibonile la.
Avele ngumuntu uyibonile.
But just to give people context, whoever listening or watching, by the way, we're coming into live from Zulu Fashion House. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment.
Tell your friends about us.
Basitshele futhi lokuthi yiziphi ezinye izinto ababona ngathi ama-scam. Or maybe bafuna ukukhomenta ngento lana esithe sakhuluma ngayo. Yabo basitshele ama-comments. But i-tweet ibisithi that phase where you slowly start hating your girlfriend is crazy. And the social media went like
Kube nzima nafana kubo mama.
Kuyilahlela ba.
Mama kube tricky lapha.
But most of those gents were just venting about being in relationships where you don't feel like your effort is being reciprocated, and then you start resenting the person. But if you're obviously so ngane sokupaintwe ngepimple itweet yomnye umuntu sisi.
Okunye futhi I think gents mebade bekhuluma ngento leya ngabantu labana ukuthi liyaqala ngokulokhuza. Eqala ukubhebhana then sokusiba relationship.
What kind of disaster lokho?
Not really.
In most cases omunye umuntu lapha bebuye ezifunela to come. And then when you can't let them go. Hey, no, no, don't let them go. So you're just in it there. Then you can't go into the because I don't really think ukuthi umuntu omthanda into ezibhala lapha ungazenza.
Akana vele kana manje ungikhuluma imini.
Umuntu vele ngela ndaba
Mina
layo.
one traumatizing. Kuthiwa when you spit on her back and pretend like you came.
Yeah.
Just so you can stop banging. Guys, what's that? Oh, but there's a girl who came back and said when you pee instead of squirting. So I think it was kind of 50-50.
Vele ama-girls laphana laphana.
Better.
Ama-girls laphana besephomba ukuzama nje.
Ema girls. Oscar.
Yeah, alaphela ama-girls besezama but
Kulelwa nothe momkhisi uzangani ukhotshwa yinja. Guys,
nxa kuhaka ngani kubamba inkunzi.
Personally,
I'm actually looking at it right now.
That's my favorite one.
No, I'm actually looking at it right now. I'd like to read some of them.
Yeah, read some of them, bro.
So the one I'm looking at right now says, when you're wondering why you're having such a peaceful day, and it turns out she's been giving you the silent treatment.
Yo. And that's what happened.
Then the other one says, when she says good morning and you just start feeling nauseous, I don't know, but yeah.
Damn,
Hey,
bro.
who's the morning sickness?
I would have fast about that.
Yeah.
When I think about it,
Yeah.
Whatever, man.
Then there's one that said, it was in quotes like, baby, guess what I had for lunch? Like, hey, it's like... Yeah. Then another one says her hug feels like you're getting mugged.
But then, man,
Yeah.
like, in the day, I realize there is so much hate between men and women on social media, bro. Why?
Which then leads me to the next one and the final one. Because sometimes having a girlfriend is like having an op you're forced to see.
an op.
Like, what's the go?
No, bro, they're not dating their types, bro. They're not dating people that like them.
Yeah. But if you're
They're
not
forcing
dating,
things. I don't know for
if you're
what
not
reason,
dating your
bruh,
type,
but
it's
Abafazi or wonko
no,
muntu.
it's not even like something that you can limit it to gender.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jay,
Yeah.
Now what I can tell you, if you're not dating like someone that you genuinely love or someone that you really want to build the foundation with, then your relationship will expire. At some point, when I said it, because
But la
It's one. I want to say something. Good honeymoon phase. Good relationship. Good honeymoon phase, and we're very every day we are going to love you, and everything will go cute. At some point, after like I think maybe 6 months or so, after the easy.
but Mina, I just drew a conclusion from all those tweets. I think gents like each other. And I really saw the footy because hey,
Most city like each other, teeny Jane.
Everyone who participates, everybody who participated in that thread, they want gents.
ukuthi ama-gents yaqasile but laba abafazi cheki laba ngani
They do it all the time.
low ngo-airtime lama-weave but yena ebezijethini le-girlfriend so guys kefanana
Hayi akufani.
abantu bangena
I
ema
think
relationship la bantu
once
baba-
Every
again-
time you get an SMS, you feel like it's a debit order.
amajita
I remember this
amajita
bezibulala lesi
i-social media phela ungabhayiza yasipolariza sigcine sesibhelieve ukuthi you are all at extremes njeke ungabantu okuningi kutwitter labana jeke ngoralph ziyahleka zihambe endlini lezi
kulaletha
Also, brother, I thought it was just for vibes, bro.
kulale kuthiwa when you keep messing up on purpose so that she can break up with you and she keeps forgiving you
Ngixolelelani ke.
kuthiwa you'll be having a bad day when she hugs you it becomes even worse.
Apare mina into lesiya experience man. Don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
litsho njalo mayemu
Not Vina so bubi,
It's
bro.
not, it's got nothing to do with physical appearance.
Aso
bro.
bubi, bro. Like,
Yeah, but lami kudala vele
but I think enye into futhi when it's
Shino
more
FIFA ndoda angene kwesami you uzimember sithi vaya ndoda ngoba yaqala uzama uignore phela udlale 2 games remember hamba layo ndoda kanti kuyini
yo.
and I think I was once there
but still
Mina
young
nganga-
vele.
I feel like regardless of gender, so
Everyone's
like
been
like
Yeah.
sisake safika uma
mina ngangasuka endlini ngela grocery ngingena grocery sibe endlini ngacisha ifoni banze senambia ngacisha ifoni baba 3 days ngahlala komnye umembo wami ngabuya umuntu esichaye phansi
oh wayengaso
azafushift
asafuni kusuka
Asafuni.
wamtshela manje ukuthi yasuke
akanyabuya
But Minalami, I've done the cowboy relationship with him. I was tired of the relationship and I wanted the girl to break up with me. But you know, I Zamuku push and then when I find like, you know what, let me just try to also meet her halfway. You know, that's when she said, Archie, I think we should take a break.
apalo kanjani
No, it was painful because man, now I was like, okay, let me take it serious.
so wena ngathi trash motherfucking effort wena
Oh, yeah.
next time just be lazy dog just
Yeah.
I mean, I think Italian women are not realizing ukuthi men are actually ultimate gentlemen. We just don't want to break up with you. So we just allow you to be the one.
So that-
The Panama chita devent actually.
beku eventing session
Yeah.
lapha
And
Doesn't
also
mean,
that
but
thing-
niggas were
that thing
venting.
came as a surprise to women because social media, to be honest, abafaziyo abangani ba at liberty to be always saying whatever they want.
Men are
Yeah.
trash.
So,
Because
yeah.
anytime ngabona emoji ye trash can. Because emoji ye trash can zokuyithi kathesi. Ungabona
So-
uthi post emoji ye trash can, you just know she's talking about men.
So i-thread liyana like
Mbinja.
iba etusile ukuthi how so guys can actually cook us like
plus I feel like when i-beef le khona ku social media between amajita lawo chere mostly it's
labantu abasingle
broke guys versus baddies
labantu abasingle
kulempi engapheliyo sibili lapha.
Yeah.
But to put it on a psychological level, there has been research that actually heavily promotes ukuthi amadoda actually truly only love other men. And I don't mean that in an erotic way. Because I forgot who that author is, was talking about ukuthi what most men feel towards women is mostly attraction and sexual attraction and what they think is, how do I say it in Chomla? But what I remember was their closing argument was the components of what actually makes up for actual love, things like respect, loyalty, and admiration. Most men actually have those feelings towards other men. Like you, when people you look up to in your life are usually other men. People you are loyal to, the people you respect, it's never really actually women.
yeah
So-
kunomnews la afaka ukuthi they just come to us to come and then go love other bros.
No, but the thing is, the way women then put it, right? They you
So
said
many
like,
were
it's not sexual, it's not erotic.
Yeah.
You know, it's companionship, nje.
Yeah, see? So loyalty, respect, companionship, and
Yeah.
admiration.
Yeah.
All of those qualities that we think we're giving women were actually not, dog. It's just
No, but it kind of only makes sense that like you'd have that like for either your boys or someone that's like a mentor to you, who will not be a woman.
because I feel like it's someone who's walked my path. It's someone who has certain qualities.
Yeah.
So I can look forward to, I can idolize umfazi because
Bana one day.
It can't be. It can't be.
Okay, so I got something I was trying to research, and men are more satisfied by romances in courts than romantic relationships, study says. So actually young men get more emotional satisfaction from romances, close heterosexual friendships with other males than they do out of romantic relationships with other women, according to a small new study published in Men and Masculinity. Masculinity. Yeah, so intimate male friendships have become more socially acceptable in recent years, say the study authors, and that's largely a good thing, but they caution that the shift could lead to weaker bonds among dating or married couples, or even actually reduce the likelihood of men and women pairing up at all.
I think that is. I also believe that is actually happening.
Yeah.
How much that and bro? How much that and serious, and it's fucked up. Maybe it comes from also a place of relating. If I feel like I was the same thing, so I feel like these guys relate to my struggles. Hey, Mgcini, you know.
But ungathola kungathola sharp kwanzuma mthwalo uchero eli.
Akuzwana nayo.
Mgcini's
Like,
visa is there. What's visa? Dog, I saw. I did. Wasn't there also a clip? Wasn't there?
This is more. Sikho bethandana la majida.
Yo, man, in that thread, wasn't there also a clip of a guy who was stopping random guys? Would you rather cheat on your girlfriend or snitch on your bros? And then every guy was saying, cheat on my girlfriend.
Actually, nangu umbuzo guys lapho to every gent okhona la. Would you rather cheat on your girlfriend or snitch on a bro? 1-1. Skala la sisiyanga. Skala kuwe nga.
Alright, sorry, ask the question again.
Would you rather snitch on a bro or cheat on a girlfriend?
Yo.
It's a tough one.
It is a tough one because now it has to. Let's make count. Okay, you and your bro, how close are you?
And why would you and your girl? How close are you?
How close are you?
No, and also
very close.
All right.
Okay, someone who's equivalently as close as you and your girl are. Your bro, your best bro. Shit.
It came out so naturally this time.
Okay, nice. Everything maybe your time or something.
Hey, 5 years. Yeah, I'm remember. Oh, cheat on your girlfriend. Maybe you need 2 years. Yeah, exactly. Let's move on.
Not just
you've answered.
no, but not just snitching endo zokubophisa. Oh, ubone imembe yakho ifavor.
Ifavor.
Yeah. Umfazi wakhe sekubuza wena with when.
If it's like I can answer that one. If it's like that one, mina bra, I don't want to be part of indaba zabo. So I won't testify for anything.
So you won't snitch, you cheat on your girlfriend?
No. Yeah, but I can't. Yeah.
Vuyi.
Cheating is more socially acceptable.
Yep, all listen.
Yeah. No, I'm not saying I'm not saying I would rather cheat, but history and stats will show you that cheating is more socially acceptable. I would rather. Yeah. All I'm saying is I'm not snitching on my boy.
Cheating.
What you need? I put that new homies over hoes.
Do the home.
Do the home.
I'm snitching on the bro because the mother of my child is an angel.
Yeah.
Why are you gay?
Hey, but I lean tightly.
Yeah,
is this your wife or your girlfriend or your sneaky link?
Sneaky. Come on, man. You go stay on your girl. Anyway.
Please, you know,
how much did the cannot survive the emotional damage of letting a bro down?
Yeah.
How much did they have the stress of letting a bro down over a girl?
Irreparable.
Also, the other thing is for most men, girls come and go. There was that era I was dating this one. I chose her over my bro. My bro was still there. And then you start picking with my bro has been there since grade 2. It's going nowhere, this one. Lo, next month.
If I was
So
a
what
guy,
I'm picking here is that we were actually wired different because Abafaz would do anything for Indot. Correct me if I'm wrong.
I'm correcting you, bruh. If I was a guy, I would definitely cheat on my girlfriend because if the relationship ends, you've lost a girl and you've lost your homie because you snitched. You'd rather lose one. And besides, what are the odds or chances of you getting caught or cheat? Because
I know, but in this scenario, you are getting
Yeah.
caught.
Logu snitch. All
No, in this scenario, you're getting
In this
caught.
one scenario, oh, you shouldn't say that.
Because then what that's why they must be caught.
No, but I'm just joking. Even in the answer, even in the answer, mpindula nje umuntu obanjwe fair basibili.
Uzafeba ubanjwe.
Yeah. No, cheating is more socially acceptable. Sending someone to jail is not. Especially my boy. Yeah.
Mina msunuka boy. Mina bafethu. Haya. Mawuthi imazi ngu relationships ibe like proper siwe dan. Awufika hayi.
So uthini ngaleyo kiyo kathi
Girlfriend Jay.
proper bayithula ba.
Angiko relationship.
Proper.
Ngathi lokuza.
Abayithu.
Proper.
The fuck.
ngathi ngikhuluma nomunye ubhuti wami ngithi yabonani mina into lezi zama relationship yangizihloniphi because of indlela linelifewa ngayo wathi uduba ngokuhlanganisa izinto ukufika basekungena ngakho ufewa zonke but into engitshoyo mina when it's all said and done haya amsunuka boy ngaso
Hayi silaye labo Mgcini who is an outlier.
masomele skethe bro.
Yeah, ndoda umfazi ndoda
Hawu,
imbhadaleli.
Actually into enzekile yazi abantu
Like ku men's conference.
yawazi nxa likuma relationship ikuwa eliphuma lo muntu ojola la. Ikuwe like kuwa Pro Max. Yazi uphise kwapha. Bamfebela njani baby?
The boy asilandaba lamagoa. It's just vibes, bro.
But bafazi athi limphikisa. So abafazi wouldn't do anything for indoda.
Yeah, now this
So
is where I
you
wanted
choose
to ask you.
your female friends over your daughter.
Mina,
Eh.
2 years ago, I would have.
Yeah, I see.
You see?
It was cool. I was cool off as about hurt anyway.
No, but for real, like, abafana bayayazi into ekuthiwa premium embarrassment. Uyezwa? You guys,
Michelin
it's
star.
like you go to school for that thing. Yokuhlaza umfazi so like yazi uyabe so proud. Yazi ubreaka ngaye but abafana you don't disappoint when it comes to embarrassing a girl. So you'd rather write for your friends. Like abangane sebengakunyathela isithende bedli yona leyo mfana.
Ama-boys wona la likhuluma ngawo nela.
But-
Bahawukela ama-girlfriend yena.
Wona
No,
uhawukela
khomba umuntu
abangane
omuhle.
bengaya.
But as I have an answer to that question,
No,
no.
But it's true though.
But
You
tell
don't look
them,
at your
boys.
girlfriend's
I have an
friends.
answer to that question.
Mina,
If
I look
it's-
at my dude's friends.
If it's really your
Mina, if
boy,
you're, that's you,
One
you're
at a
fucked
time.
up.
One at a
That's
time.
you. That's you, you're fucked up.
Man.
One at a time. You go
but
first.
futhi, if it's really your boy, like you would understand like he fucked up, so you would allow you wouldn't take it personal, yabo. So
Also umkhuluma udoti.
no, but if it's really your boy,
You understand ngisekhami.
aye,
Uyazithethe khami wena.
nukanga nje.
No, but like,
But if it's really your boy, la futhi you say
I
ah
will
Jay,
and danger.
Can I change-
Now where I'm
I'm
still
gonna
at
trick it
was the previous chat. You would like boys look at each other's girlfriends. Agula. Now even if your girlfriend is Beyonce, bro, the
nah,
fact
ngoba
that
umngane wakho.
as long as
I've had homies.
she's now one of the boys.
machita ma-homies.
Aye, it's fine. Akhona njalo. I fucked up. But
Yeah.
then,
So
very
ngeke into omele uyiconsider nale ukuthi wena mawusithi wena you don't snitch on a bro.
what level of bro?
Kusasi bro yona le ongabe ungasnitchanga kuyo.
Weke
Still a risk,
lokusnitcha
bro.
amapholisa
Impilo enjalo,
agcine
mdala.
sithona ngoba i-obstruction ye-justice uva ejele ibro isalibhenga umfazi wakho.
Uthi uphuma ubathole
Bro,
sebelomntwana.
bro, wampila.
Ubathole sebelomntwana.
Hey,
Ufana nale bro.
Everything,
like
I know,
Mgcini.
everything. My conscience is so clear.
Zwani. Mina vele nombuzo la endaba le ukuthi kuthiwa imibuzo lo ngihlala ngiucabanga every time ngikele podcast ukuthi ngasembiyela lapha ngiyawukhohlwa. Senze ngawu fucking ngikhumbula.
Fucking
Too young.
thanks.
Too young wayehlabela nabantu sithi my homies keep on checking you out. What the fuck?
Exactly.
He told the truth, bro.
Got it too young. What the
Okay,
fuck?
can I ask?
Yeah,
Okay,
kind
can
of
I
homies
just
you
speak
out?
the truth?
Yeah,
Because
my
I
homies
feel like
yona la.
also lying has been normalized. There's 2 types of niggas as your friends. There are those who vocalize liking your hand. Then there's those who internalize it. But I will look to try they don't. Ayikho.
Hapa manje my bro.
Ah, vele wesofu nxa unkBrizzy ujola lo vela banqantshe mfana vele. Amajita vele azozenza.
Maybe he will choose friendship over, over
but looking at phela sikubali machance wonke umuntu looks at an attractive person uthi
Hayi.
abomzala libakhangeli lini
Hayi mina
emfeni
don't.
sokuthi ayifotshora yabona umzala ethi
I don't look at
but
umzala.
usithulele
Speak for when I please dala ngujaja bra ufuna ngujaje kangaki. You look at umzala.
manga listen
Alamba kwathukanya umzala begoli kwenye imfa so. What?
Yeah, but umzala especially labana abavele diaspora.
Mina ngilamzala ngimkhangela njalo.
so listen to what my point is. My point isn't
Yaphela.
umzala usithi ukhangele your homie's girl. You just say damn this is an attractive person and then that's it.
Uyaphila.
And that's what being a homie is. That's what being a homie is.
Uyaphila.
When you can show up with a girl dog lami ngibona
Yabona ukuthi
Ufana ushayile namuhla. Kanti wathi ushayile ngithini? I'm recognizing damn this is an attractive girl.
but not ukuthi sengingenza
But
ama
my
advances.
thought
Don't act
process
dumb. We all know what we're talking about.
mina ngazi ngoba
Some
mina
people
labangani
choose to
bami
internalize it, and some just, you know.
Jay ufika
Ukutshela sithi boy uSheroko muhle.
It's not always the case. Wena ngendlela usukhuluma ngathi internalize sisifike ku point ukuthi
but I think-
and they don't act on it. That's where your integrity is. That's where your morals come.
ngi-internalize ini kahle kahle.
Your true feelings about that person.
Feelings, I
Ukuthi
know.
you would
That's not-
smash-
I'm
you
not-
want to smash your past. Because
it's-
ngirlfriend umngane wakho.
Nah, it's not it's not always the case.
That's
I think I think kule level you know there's
Awungeza kuhlela uhawukile ama girlfriend abangani bakho ndoda. Like akuchuni ndoda.
of course
Akuchuni nje.
akhona amajita anjalo vuyasuqamanga siyawazi amajita anjalo uthiwa idlala yeboshele khona ngiyawazi amajita abhodela
Your
amajita
girlfriends are your little sisters. Noma izibongo zabo zingezizibongo zakho.
Ma what?
Your friends, girlfriends are your little sisters. Is that how you view them?
Ivela ndoda nzaye bakhangele njalo man.
especially if you are like
I feel
my
like
bro
maybe
even
man.
5 years later bro
Plus I feel like
Yeah,
man
I'm
sile
no
taste echene.
Little
No
sisters,
cool.
chene.
Ebafazini? Sile taste echene.
No, actually, that kind of negates to some extent what we're talking about. Even if we have the same taste,
Even if you
the
have the
fact
same
that
taste.
this girl has been introduced to me as yours. To me, she's technically she's a
Vele
non.
ngubafo vele.
Bra,
Hey.
But manje cheating yenzakala.
she's a non-living entity, bra.
In reality enye ujene ngani ngivumelana.
ngiyamvumelana la ngiyavumela la
To some extent.
Siyala sibili.
Yabona
Lapha thina sikhuluma as real niggas.
Amadina amalanchon lawa abakhona la amalanchon.
Yeah.
Amalanchon la nothawa lo muntu wakho lapho lo muntu wami la. Kopa
Lancho.
amalanchon laba.
kutricky laba
They end up
Kutricky
lunching on
kumalanchon.
people's people.
vele into leziyana zokuthi ama-couples getaway leziyingozi
Kebe kulokhu kuqhotshwana ngaphansi ke lokhu
Ingozi
kwamatafula lapha
Yeah,
na.
zingozi
Uthatha
lapha
umfazi wakho
kuhlala abantu
vele.
abaningi kakhulu lapha.
selihamba libaningi so
Bro,
ngingama-8
actually
couples
No, I
kulenye
think
icouple ongayijalanga sesethona ikhariba lidakwa lonke ligqoka ama-G-string liseqere pool
Kamelo, can I ask? Do you know the excitement
Ligqokani?
of something new? Or something you're not allowed
something
to touch?
forbidden something forbidden oh my
Forbidden
god
fruit.
Oh,
Bro,
but some
the
kodweni.
excitement. I'm not speaking for
Forbidden fruit.
myself. I'm just
Ah,
saying.
fruit.
Mawukwazi ukuthi i-girlfriend kamgcili no whole area but she's so sexy.
dabona kuyikhwikhilo kyana
but mina yabona mina nxa ufuna
This
ungihetha
doesn't feel right. This is not right. But it feels
njengendoda
right.
mawufuna ungihetha
Ukamelo yabe careful zela
Alala
phezu
lo
kwakho
muntu
emude
wami.
so when I'm
Ala-
sitting
look at
this is
footstep.
not right. But it feels right.
Kati
But
senzani
I
kodwa
will
senzani kodwa kabelo.
We shouldn't be doing this, but we are.
You shouldn't
That's
be
always
doing
so.
this.
No.
You shouldn't be doing this.
that was the most unconvincing no she's ever done no MJ
I'm putting up a facade. Come on.
Taboka, do you have something to say
STFU
before we go? But mina into emfunga yicho vele nge-thread leli at the end of the day uhlalelana nalomuntu okuzondayo like ujolelana lomuntu okuzondayo. Lo uzihambele kuphela.
okunye vele okunye kuthiwa if it smells like it's probably air okunye
Yeah,
no, in a
omunye umuntu
relationship,
wathi
you start feeling
inkinga
ukuthi-
yena ukuthi lina ama red flag level okay. Bona ngani
but
bona
once again my
treat
gents,
red flags as red
once
flags.
again into lezi nuance there's a difference between like umuntu ongasakufuniyo and a rough patch. Sometimes you misunderstand a rough patch as umuntu kasangifuni and then so end up 6 years later you've been in 10 relationships laso sibuza ukuthi angehle uthola indoda but sometimes it's just a rough patch and you have to
Kuhleli ku-smooth, yeah.
Yeah. So now you have to also know your person, have great communication to figure out is this a rough patch or la banza funu wala.
No, but you can tell Uguti this is not a relationship, honestly.
Okay.
But my point is like it's very short, but please date someone that you can be friends with. Like, for example,
Abasifuna abangani bethu. Jane amfuna.
Uthando.
Ugcina ke ngamprank wakuthe send your guy friends a message batshela ukuthi I want you ezumgcina kanjani wathi bo Jane ndibona kanjena kanjani.
God damn, bro.
This has been another episode of the ByoPodcast.
Oh, before we go, 21st October, we're going to be at Bulawayo Sneaker Expo. Make sure you get your tickets. $5 in advance, $10 at the venue. I think we're also cooler box friendly. It's also gonna be cooler box friendly. So make sure. Also on Fridays we're giving away free tickets. There's
And
people.
amagqoka ama sneakers are fake ngiyabengimile namapatapata eketini.
Abagqoka ama sneakers are fake.
Don't bring fake povers,
And shout out to Amanyama podcast as well. Shout out to what's the
Is going on.
Screenshot podcast,
Zenzele podcast.
podcast boys.
Sticks and stones.
Oh, we also got
boys.
rated. Did we talk about that? Did you?
Sakuma gelinda sticks and stones. Yeah, Amanyama podcast. Yeah, baby, sifakachela. When lana TV asirecorda la.
Kulabantu besifaka
Yama lana TV ihlala ekhanda lika Kbrizzy la.
Sure.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play.
Hi, Sabonani. It's Becky there. And I'm here with the team. Just want to say hi.
Thank you.
Let me go now.
Thank you.